Have you ever wondered what you can do to stay young and healthy? Modern science has come to the conclusion that proper nutrition is one of the main pillars of healthy aging. In Wellness by Oriflame, we are certain that we have combined the right ingredients to prevent premature aging in one of our main products, the WellnessPack. Astaxanthin is the key ingredient of the WellnessPack and caused interest among scientists more than 25 years ago. The history of the WellnessPack starts here in Uppsala, where Sweden's oldest university is located. This is where progressive science has been conducted since the 15th century, and the university is connected to 8 Nobel laureates. Åke Lignell, formerly a researcher at Uppsala University, was one of the first scientists to study the remarkable properties of astaxanthin.
In 1988, scientists at University of Uppsala got interested in astaxanthin, and we saw the formation of astaxanthin in the algae growing along the shores of the Stockholm archipelago.
Here in the Stockholm archipelago, astaxanthin can be found naturally in algae called Haematococcus pluvialis. Stockholm's archipelago is known for its beautiful nature and clean waters. In 2010, Stockholm received the European Green Capital Award from the EU Commission. The algae are green in nature. When subjected to severe conditions caused by UV rays from the sun or lack of nutrition, astaxanthin creates a natural defense system against cell oxidation. As the green algae accumulate more and more astaxanthin, they turn from green to red. This ongoing process secures the survival and longevity of the algae and reverses once the conditions are favorable again.
Well, this was a truly unique process for scientists to observe, and the interest for astaxanthin had grown exponentially. And the first clinical trial started in the early 90s, and since then a lot of clinical trials has been done on humans, and it has been shown that astaxanthin is truly as good for humans as it is for the algae.
Premature aging may be a subject difficult to comprehend. Let's ask nutritionist Burçak Ulmer what factors cause our bodies to age faster.
Yeah, what many people don't understand is that free radical activity and inflammation are constantly ongoing in our bodies, and what makes them worse in your diet is too many calories, too much sugar, and too much fat. And when it comes to lifestyle factors, it's stress, smoking, and being overweight. Oxidation and inflammation can be measured in the blood, and studies show that astaxanthin can significantly improve these parameters. And its ability to do this is very much coupled to its unique structure.
When levels of oxidation and free radicals increase in the human body, cells can be irreversibly damaged, which accelerates the aging process. But when a person takes astaxanthin, it is absorbed into all tissues and cells, creating a protective shield. Unlike other antioxidants, astaxanthin has a unique structure that neutralizes free radicals both in the inner and outer layer of the cell membrane.
The benefits of astaxanthin are continuously discovered by scientists all over the world. To name just a few, a single-blind placebo-controlled study by Yamashita showed that women who took astaxanthin had significantly improved skin elasticity and reduced fine lines and wrinkles. A double-blind placebo-controlled study by Malmsten and Lignell showed that men using dietary supplementation with astaxanthin for 6 months improved their endurance 3 times more than men taking placebo. This is the main reason why top athletes use astaxanthin as a healthy way to support their performance. In a randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled study by Park et al., astaxanthin decreased oxidative stress and inflammation and enhanced immune response in young healthy females after just 8 weeks of supplementation with 2 milligrams of astaxanthin.
New research is constantly being done on astaxanthin by universities across the globe. As of today, more than 400 peer review articles have been published from countries like the United States, Japan, and Sweden. Studies have compared astaxanthin to other well-known antioxidants. In many experiments, astaxanthin was shown stronger than green tea catechins, CoQ10, and common vitamin E. We now know all the uniqueness behind the WellnessPack's star ingredient astaxanthin, yet WellnessPack also contains other vital ingredients. Wellness by Oriflame scientists have incorporated the natural and pure omega-3 into every sachet. Let's find out why.
So the omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA, have been shown in numerous studies to have beneficial effects for our cardiovascular system. And these beneficial effects have also been approved by the European Food Safety Authority, EFSA. Cardiovascular disease is the #1 cause of death globally, so it's a very good idea to supplement with EPA and DHA, i.e. omega-3 fatty acids, to decrease the risk of cardiovascular disease. So what is special with the fish oil in the WellnessPack omega-3 is that it comes from small fish that have low levels of toxins compared to fish oil from larger predatory fish. It is purified through a patented purification process and encapsulated in fish gelatin rather than bovine or porcine gelatin that some other manufacturers use. And last but not least, the fish oil in the WellnessPack omega-3 is certified sustainable by Friend of the Sea.
Another ingredient of the Wellness Pack is the top-quality multivitamin and mineral tablet.
A daily multivitamin and mineral supplement is a sure way of avoiding nutritional insufficiencies. Some of these insufficiencies actually even increase the risk of heart disease, cancer, and other chronic diseases. And Harvard School of Public Health therefore recommend most adults to take a daily multivitamin and mineral supplement as a nutritional insurance and to decrease the risk of getting these diseases. So the multivitamin and mineral tablets in the Wellness Pack stand out because many products on the market are generic, whilst ours are tailor-made to meet the nutritional needs of men and women respectively. Many competitor products only contain a few vitamins and minerals, whilst the multivitamin and mineral tablets in the Wellness Packs contain 12 vitamins and 10 minerals, so they're very complete. And the vitamins and minerals in the Wellness Pack are added at a maximum of 100% because we don't believe in megadosing. So instead of having a risk of overdosing, we have a safe product that can be used long-term every day.
For me, the Wellness Pack offers all the essential nutrients in combination with fantastic antioxidants. And we nutritionists say that nutrients always work better together than on their own. And the Wellness Pack offers some unique synergies, especially when it comes to immunity and vascular health.
The clinically shown health benefits of the Wellness Pack ingredients are extensive and include skin, improved moisture and elasticity, reduced UV damage and wrinkles, immune system, improved defenses, reduced inflammation, heart, improved heart health and cholesterol levels, muscles and joints, improved endurance and performance, decreased inflammation and soreness, vision, increased UV protection, less tired eyes, vitality, reduced tiredness and fatigue. All these benefits can only be delivered if the product is of the highest quality possible.
At Wellness, we put quality first. By assuring the highest quality standards possible at each manufacturing step, we can actually guarantee that all our products deliver on their unique benefits. All of our manufacturing sites are GMP certified, and those letters standing for Good Manufacturing Practice actually means that all our products are being manufactured at the same quality management system standards as pharmaceutical products. One of the key elements of this sophisticated quality management system is a tightly controlled manufacturing process, and this includes an advanced level of hygiene control and a safely guarded environment. As a pharmacist, I can definitely guarantee and conclude that all wellness products are being manufactured to the highest technology standards and latest industry processes. All wellness products are tested and analyzed so we can guarantee the optimal levels of ingredient over the shelf life of the product. The product files are then sent out to relevant authorities for revision in over 40 markets where wellness products are available.
Since the beginning of Wellness by Oriflame, our message has been that a large part of your health is in your hands. It comes down to the lifestyle choices and the nutritional choices that you make on a daily basis. And already hundreds of thousands of wellness consumers are making the right choice by taking a sachet of the WellnessPack on a daily basis. It's definitely a great start for a longer and healthier life.